somebody die, our culture is that if somebody died today, highest today or tomorrow, we put him under the ground. Then the people can now go and prepare for how they will come and celebrate a man who gave us life and shelters us. Because the ideology of celebrating on the day you are burying somebody already defeats the mindset of your mourning. How can somebody die for me, my father? And we are talking about how to lay the man on the dead, and somebody is checking whether his cooler of rice is complete and their mouth is complete. We cannot be chewing meat the day we are burying somebody. It already defeats the ideology that we are mourning. So we have to put this person on the ground, everybody cry, and we go. Then we now later come back to come and celebrate that there was a man who brought the light of Africa upon this earth. Come, let us celebrate him. That's why we do second burial. Christianity came and says, no, somebody will die for you. They will now first tell you that you need to go out to mortuary. You carry somebody, put him in mortuary. Maybe mortuary is charging you 20,000 every month. For 6 months. 20 times 6, 120,000. From your little business. The day you are going to bring the person to bury, there's going to be an ambulance. There's going to be all kind of palms. There's going to be all kind of noise. And then the pastor will come. You're not asking pastor, we want to bury somebody. What is your business there? The pastor says, no, I am not a spiritual person. I'm a religious person. In religion, we put eye in all the things you do. The pastor begin to come. He says, keep him like this. They will not begin to sing a song that will make everybody there cry. Because burial is the biggest place you will use to manipulate people into your slavery. Have you stayed in a place and they are singing, Nagafedi, Kapapa, no gututu? You will feel to cry. They will now tell you, look at our brother like this. He was alive yesterday like you. Maybe the word of God was sounding to him like this, the way I'm sounding to you, but the man shut his gateway. But now you have one chance before you will be like, and as they are talking, you are looking at a dead man. Somebody is making mockery of your father in the public. And as he is doing that, he now says, if you want to give your life to Christ now, what I'm giving you is the count of 3. 1, 2. You now see all young boys are saying, nah, one name about. Everybody take a pause about pota. You are now asking, in the days of our ancestors, when we want to do burial, there is no native doctor that comes. Go and bury the dead. Let's come back and celebrate the man who left. We cannot be celebrating a dead and be eating meat. And any day my father died, this is the way I'm going to bury him. I'm telling you practically. I'm not going to call Omen and Abuzi Zokunanu to come and start telling me how I will bury my father. If the day I want to now do celebration, understand, you will now invite people to come and eat. Christians are mad.